So, hello my dear children and welcome back to our maths class. So, today we are going to learn the new topic, and that is in the world of numbers. In the world of numbers. So, children, from nursery to pre-primary, first standard onwards, you are learning all the numbers. And you are familiar with numbers 1 to 100. Yes or no? How to recognize the number, how to write its name, and how to count the given objects and tell the exact number. You must have learned all these things in the last year and pre-primary section. So today we are going to revise all about the numbers only. So I have kept a chart here. Can you see the number chart? I have kept it 1 to 50 numbers chart. And it is very easy also for you to recognize the number. Now there is no need to keep the object, count the object and write its exact figure, number. Okay. Now you are familiar with the numbers, figure and their names also. So just observe here 1 to 10, then 11 to 20, then 21 to 30, then 31 to 40, then 41 to 50. Okay, and you are able to count also that after 1 which number is coming? 2, after 2 3, after 3 4, after 4 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9 and 10. So after 10 you are going to write 11. So these are the tens. Okay. So after 1 0 you are starting the numbers again by putting 1 10 and 1, by writing 1 10 and 1, that is 11. Then 1 10 and 2, that is 12. Then 1 10 and 3, it's 13. Then 1 10 and 4, it's 14. Then 1 10 and 5, it's 15. Then 1 10 and 6, it's 16. 1 10 and 7, 17. 1 10 and 8, 18. 1 9 and 9, 1 10 and 9, it's 19. And then 2 0. So it will continue from 210 to 210 and 9. Okay. 210 and 1 to 210 and 9. 21, 22, 23. Okay. Till 30. Then 310. 310 means 30. Okay. 310 means 30. Then 310 and 1, it's 31. And it will go again 310 and 2, 310 and 3. So it will keep on going till 310 and 9, it's 39. And then 40. Again 40, 40 means 410. So 410 and 1, and it will go again till 410 and 9. It's 49 and then 50. So you all must have learned from 1 to 50 also, and from 51 to 100 also. Yes or no? So today we will go on in our maths textbook page number 9 and see the number chart they have given here. Can you see, children? They have formed a column, a square, and they made a column inside that, and they have written 1 to 100 numbers, but they kept some blanks. So you have to fill that blanks with exact number. Here you are going to write the number serial order wise. Okay. That means after 1, which number is coming? 2. then 2 follow 3, then after 3, 4 is already given, you have to write 5, then 6 is written, then you should write 7, then 8, then 9 and 10. So what is your work? You have to open your maths textbook if you are having it at your home, and you should fill the numbers. Okay, if you don't have maths textbook, you can use your rough notebook, make a column, okay, and then write 1 to 100 number in that notebook. So it's easy only, isn't it, children? So I will just read out the question. You also repeat after me. Let us try to read the numbers on the butterfly's wing. So here they have drawn the 4 butterflies, and on their butterflies wings they have given the numbers. So you should be read out. You should be able to read out the numbers correctly. Now here you all are repeating the number serial order wise. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. But here they have given the numbers in between. Okay. So you should be able to read out the numbers exactly. So can you tell me this is which number? It's number 1. Very good. Then it's 26. Then 75. Then 69. Then what is the number? Is this? See, it's 82. Then it's 51. Then 77 and 36. Then look at here. It's 19. Then 56. Then 83. Then 64. Then after that, see, 99, 43, 30 and 12. So I hope that you all have understood these numbers, and I hope that you can read out, yes or no, read out all the numbers correctly. So we'll go on our next question. So see children, that is our next question. Give alongside is a number chain. Read the numbers of all ends of the chain. Recite all numbers between those numbers in serial order. So now here they have drawn one bag, one cloth bag. Inside that cloth bag there is a string of beads. Okay, can you see the red color beads? It is the string of beads. And then they have started from the first bead to write 18. So from 18 you should count till the last bead. And what is the last bead? It's 33. So you have to go on counting after number 18. So let's count with me children. 18, then 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 and then 33. Okay. Now let's go on the second question. See, observe the chains given below and recite the numbers in the middle in serial order. So here also they have given the same blue color cloth bag, and then they have put here the string of beads, and for the first bead they have written the number 59, and then you should go on counting the beads till the last bead. And what is the number of the last bead? It is 77. So from 59 you should count 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76 and 77. So here also the same way children, from 86 to 98 you should count. So what is your work? You have to draw this and count the beads and tell the numbers to your parents. Children, did you get me? Now we'll proceed on our next page, and that is page number 10. Page number 10. Now here they have given, see, let's read and write in words. So children, before you learned all the numerals, see, these are called all the numerals. Numeral means the numbers which they are writing in figures from 1 to 100. These are called numerals. Okay. Now you should able to write their spelling also, their number names also. For that reason, we are going to learn the next chapter, that is, let's read and write in words. So they have already in first standard, you must have learned how to write numbers from 1 to 20. Again, I will show you children. See here. Can you see numerals? So numeral means numbers. So see number 1 and the spelling of number 1. So repeat after me. It's 1, O-N-E, 1. Then 2, T-W-O, 2. Then 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. Then 4, F-O-U-R, 4. Then 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Then 6, S-I-X, 6. Then 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. Then 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Then 9, N-I-N-E, 9. Then 10, T-E-N, 10. So what is your work children? You have to write these numbers from 1 to 10 and their spellings in your rough notebook. Then after 10, see the next number, that is 11. So most of the children, they are finding it easy to write numbers from 1 to 10. They are finding it easy to write the number names from 1 to 10. But most of the children, they are making the mistake while writing the number names from 11 to 20. From 11 to 20. So you should learn the spelling by heart. Numbers, you are know with the numerals now very well, but you should now learn the spelling of these numbers very well. So 11, E-L-E-V-E-N, it's 11. Okay. Then 12, T-W-E-L-V-E, it's 12. Then 13, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, it's 13. Then 14, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, it's 14. Then 15, F-I-F-T-E-E-N, it's 15. Then 16, S-I-X-T-E-E-N, it's 16. Then 17, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N, it's 17. Then E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, it's 18. Then N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, it's 19. And 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, it's 20. So children, see, you should learn the spelling of 11, 12. Then from 13 to till 19. See, you have to learn just spelling of 13, T-H-I-R, third, and then teen. You have to join teen. Then for the 14, you should write the spelling of 4 and then join again T-E-E-N, teen. Then 15, many children are making mistake while write the number names of 15. It's 15, not 15. Many children while writing in the exam, they write 15. So it's a wrong. 15, it's a correct spelling. So how to write 15? Fifth, F-I-F, fifth, and teen, T-E-E-N, teen. Then write the spelling of 6 and then again T-E-E-N, teen. Then write the spelling of 7, then again T-E-E-N, teen, it's 17. Then write the spelling of 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. And then again T-E-E-N, teen, 18. 19 spelling is how? You have to write the spelling of 9 and again teen, T-E-E-N, teen. Then 20, T-W-E-N, 20. So you should learn the spelling of 20 by heart, because after 20, again from 21 to see here, from 21, See here, from 21 children to 30, 29. From 21 to 29, you are going to write the same spelling, 20, 20. And then you have to add again 1, 2, 3, means 21, 22, 23. So it is easy to write after 20 because till 29 you are going to write the same spelling of 20. And with 20, which number is there? 1. So 1, 2, so 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, like that. So did you get, children? You can write the number names two ways. First way is 20 and 1. Okay, this is the one way. 20 and 1. You can write 21 or 21. It's like the second way. The 20 and 2, it's a 22 or 22. Means no need to write and. Okay. These are both the way they have mentioned in the book over here. You have to just read out and learn the spelling by heart. Then 30. So same with the 30 also. Can you see, children? Same with 30 also. That we'll see. So children, here see with 30 also, that 30 and 1, 31, 30 and 2, 32, 30 and 3, it's 33. So it will go till 39 and then 40. What is the spelling of 40? See, children, what is the spelling of 40? It's F-O-R-T-Y. Many children in the exam, they are writing F-O-U-R-T-Y. It's not a 40. It's 40. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Okay. So from 41 to 49, you have to write 40, 40, 40. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 9. Okay. It's 49. Huh? Easy or not? You should learn the spelling of 40 very well. Then after 49 comes 50. Not 50, huh? It's a 50. And what is the spelling of 50? It's F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Then we'll proceed on our next column. That is 51. Okay. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and it's 60. So what is the spelling of 60? Easy only. 6 spelling you have to write and at the end ty. It's 60. Okay. Then after 60, 61 to till 69 and then 70. 70 spelling also how you are going to form? You have to write 7 and at the end you are going to add ty. That is 70. 70, 70. Then we'll go on 71. So 71, see 71, 72, 73 and it will go on till 79. And after 79, what is coming? 80. What is the spelling of 80? You are going to write 8 and ty. E-I-G-H and ty. It's 80. Then see, we'll go on our next column, that is of 81. Okay, column of 81. So from 81, spelling of 80 and 1, 81, you will write till 89. Okay, 89 and the next is 90. Okay, 90 spelling is how? N-I-N-E 9 and ty. It's 90. And again from 91 to till 99 you will write like this way and the last is 100. Okay. So can you see, children? 100 number 1 and 2 0. 1 and 2 0. That is 100. And what is the spelling of 100? H-U-N-D-R-E-D. It's a 100. So children, today we have learned the page number 10 in maths textbook and you have learned today all the number names from 1 to 100. But your work is what? You should write only 50. Only till 50. Not after that. You have to write in your notebook 1 to 50 numbers and their names. 1 to 50 numerals and their names you are going to write. and learn the spelling of each number by heart. See, you are going to form a column, and first you write the numbers like 1 to 10. After 1 to 10, you are going to write 11 to 20. So after writing 11 to 20, then you will write, you can copy it down from your textbook, from 21 to 50. From 21 to 50. Okay. While writing, leave one line and write in neat and good handwriting. Then we'll proceed on our next page. And here they have given the exercise. So it's easy only. We'll go through it. See. Complete the activity given below. Now children, here they have drawn the clouds. Here they have drawn the clouds, and each cloud they have given numbers or somewhere number names. They have given in some cloud numbers, whereas in other cloud they have given the number names. So wherever they have given the numbers, you have to write their name beside on the line. And wherever they have written the number names in a box, you should write their numerals, their numbers. Okay. So we'll read. See, in the first, they have given 21. So you should write the spelling of 21 here. 20 and 1. 21. Write the spelling of 21. Then here 50 and 3 or 53. That means 5 and 3. Okay. That is 53. Then our next number is 48. 4 and 8, 48. Then here you have to write the spelling of 48. Then here you have to write the numerals. 60, 60. Then here 30 and 3, 33. 3 and 3, 33. Then see here 40, F-O-R-T-Y, 40. You have to write its spelling. Then 20 and 6. Here you should write 2, 6, 26. Then 3 and 7, 37. 3 and 7, 37. Then 40 and 6, 4 and 6, 46. Okay. So we'll go on our next question. They have given here the slate. And on a slate, the same way they have written that somewhere they wrote the number names and you have to write the numbers. And somewhere they have written the numerals. By looking at, you should recognize their spelling. You should understand the spelling and write the spelling in the given lines. It's 29. Then 70 and 2, it's 72. Then 44. Then 80 and 6, 86. And then 32. So you should write in neat and good handwriting and show to your parents. So children, today's topic is easy only, isn't it? And I hope you must have understood all the numbers with their names. So what is your work? You must be able to count the objects and write the numbers. But now you should be able to write the numbers spelling also up to 50. Okay. So you have to write 1 to 50 numbers with their number names. Till that, take care and be at home safe. So we'll see you soon in the next topic. Okay? Have a good day.